How to change your flight on Rex Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your flight on Rex Airlines, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Rex Airlines account, just like I've done here. And once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Once you're on this page, scroll down to the section where you can see book flights, manage bookings, and select manage bookings since you're trying to change a flight that you've booked earlier. So once you're on your manage booking page, enter in the booking address, the booking reference asks for, then your first name, your last name. In case you're looking for where your booking reference is, check the confirmation email that was sent to you after you booked your flight. You click on retrieve booking, and then you'll be directed to the flight that you would like to change. So select the flight and then look for the option to modify your booking. You will see an edit icon on your flight page. Ensure you click on that. Then go ahead to make your necessary changes by choosing your new preferred flight time and date from the available options. Then once you've done that, review the changes. Okay, review the changes, confirm your selection, and follow the prompts to complete the process. Note that a fare difference may apply, and there may be a change fee depending on your fare type and availability. So that is it. Thank you for watching everyone, and have a good day.